Good morning, and good morning. And welcome to our Blackpool Biker. Hope everyone's well. We are so late on parade this morning. It's just gone 10 o'clock. Literally just gone about 5 past, something like that. Had a busy morning. Been up since usual time. Oh, I'm trying to get one thing and another done. So, right, we're having a wander anyway. So we're on Thursday. So I'll just do a quick vid for you, so you can see what it's like this morning. It's dull, to be honest, and overcast. Apparently it is getting nicer from, is it Saturday? We're on Thursday today, so it's only a couple of days now, isn't it? I've put a big jacket on, it's a bit blowy, you don't know if it could just, you see them clouds up there, you just don't know if it could rain or not. Who knows? You'd tell we're a bit later this morning because there's people around. Mostly it's so quiet, isn't it? Normally. Doesn't look like anything's still happening with the Parisian. Doesn't look like it anyway. I'll show you out to sea. Tide's going out, obviously. Sorry about the wind noise, I can't help it at the moment. You can see there's a few people around. Yeah, it's right out now, the tide, innit? So, Sharon, I hope you're okay. I was speaking to Sharon this morning. She had a bit of one of them mornings. I'm not going to say what's happened, but Sharon, I hope you're okay. Yeah, sending the best to you. Right, so I'm going to wander anyway. I've got to get some bits in. Yeah. So, not putting it off, but you know what happens. You get waylaid, and before you know it, it's now 10 o'clock. I've been up since about 5:30 again. I was going to come out about 7 as normal, but procrastinated. In other words, you're lazy biker. Probably right. Probably right. Yeah, it's not quite as cold as I thought it was going to be, to be fair. See, over to the east, it's just the same everywhere, to be honest. The sun ain't popping through or anything as yet. It's Cocker Square here. It's where the baths used to be, Cocker Baths. I never really knew Cocker Baths. It was just a bit before my time. Only a bit. We were always at Derby, obviously, Derby Baths. Yeah, it's not a bad day, to be fair. Just heading towards North Pier now. If you're not sure, this is going south towards north. If you've only just joined the channel, a lot do know. Sorry about that wind noise, I'm just trying to show you. Turn around now. Not that bad. Coming up to the Metropole. The odd question, how many hotels on Blackpool Prom? Just the one, Metropole. Anyone ever ask you? A lot say, oh, hundreds. It's the one. That one there. Is it there, biker? Oh, you've got to have a laugh, haven't you? Yeah, it's a bit blowy, to be fair. I was going to have a bit of a walk, and I've got to do the Clifton Road and that for Linda. I've been promising for about 2 weeks. I will get it done, Linda. I'm not sure if today is going to be the best day with the wind. We'll see in a minute. I'm going to get this one loaded as soon as possible. Come down here earlier in the morning, there's people still around. I'm sure you've seen the videos. It's been windy for a few days now. Not the best, to be fair. This is where we're just coming, for those that's just joined the channel, this is where we're just coming up for the air raid shelter at the Metropole. We've done the search for the air raid shelter at the Metropole, and then the murderous end. Montoya killed the young girl, 22-year-old, just inside here. Can you see where that's an entrance? This is just for those that's recently joined. See the entrance there, what would have been at one time, and then there's just one round the corner as well. So yeah, young girl, 22, killed there by a serving American aircraft mechanic, Montoya. The other entrance is just round the corner. I'll show you that in a tick. A few on North Pier, having a wander, having a stroll. Yeah, if you want to see that, it's under, I think it's got its own playlist, that, and it's under the search for the Metropole Hotel air raid shelter and then the murderous end. It's in there, it's on Old Blackpool bag if you want to have a look for it. And of course the secret underground tunnels. This is the other entrance here that would have been at one time. Obviously this is just for those that recently joined, because others know. Let's go back a bit. See where it would have been. From there to there. That's where the entrance was for the air raid shelter at one time. They're loud, aren't they? What's wrong with the Stevens? Stevens aren't happy. We found some chips. A bit early for chips. Yeah, so apologies this is late this morning. About 3 hours late. Procrastinating back here. Now there's a big word. You can tell it's not 7 o'clock in the morning. 7 o'clock in the morning, you're being a lazy and biker. Just at North Pier. That used to be the cinema there. That was cinema 1, 2, 3, 4, something like, if I remember rightly, that one, donkeys years ago. There used to be so many cinemas in Blackpool, but nowadays, obviously all gone. So, finger in the way again, as per usual. Yeah, we're just about at North Pier. See the time there on the town hall clock, 10:20. Just left 15 towards 20 past in between. Let's call it 17 minutes past. There are the new tram lines you can see there, just going off to the left, going up Talbot Road. Piccolo Tower in for you. Right, I'm going to leave this just outside North Pier. Leave this here. I'm going to wander further down. I hope the wind noise ain't too bad because I'm going to have a wander on the beach and everything whilst I'm out and about. Like I say, Linda, I've not forgot about. Go on. Lytham Road from Waterloo, isn't it? We'll do that for you. Show you up towards town. So, Mike, what you doing, lad? You're always messing about with something. Anyway, from outside North Pier, Talbot Square. Thanks to everyone that's liked and subscribed. If you haven't yet, please do so. It does help small channels, no matter whose it is. But from outside North Pier, most of all, stay safe. You know what it is. Have a cracking day.